In finding the vector BE, we may make use of any path that goes from B to E. The easiest one is from B to O, then from O to E. In this problem, our duty is to find the vector BE, the vector that goes from B to E. And we have quite a tidy sum of instructions right here, well, mostly information that we may use in the solution of the problem. We have here that the vector OA is 9, 0, OB is 3, 6. We have also that AD is equal to 1/3 of AB, which we will not use. We also have OE is equal to 1/3 of OA. We need to also express in the form, which is the form of a column vector, the vector BE. BE is the vector that we are about to find, and of course we will make use of the fact that the vector BE, while we expect it to go from BE, does not necessarily have to do that directly. It may go from B to O, then from O to E. The first vector that we have mentioned right here is the vector OB. The vector OB is given to be 3, 6. This path will play a very important role in us finding the vector BE. It is given that OE is equal to 1/3 OA. We will go from B to O, then from O to E. OE is 1/3 OA. We have OA somewhere around here. Here it is. We have OA is equal to 9, 0. And of course, we know also that OE is 1/3 of OA. We may go straight ahead and find the vector BE by making use of the fact that it is the equivalent to the movement from B to O, then from O to E. Notice the first part of the motion going from B to O. That's the first part of the motion. The first part of the motion is opposite to the vector OB and is therefore given a negative sign. Now, because it is in the opposite direction of OB, the inclusion of OB is given a negative sign because the movement is in the opposite direction of OB. Right, so the inclusion of OB is accompanied by a negative sign because the motion is in the opposite direction to OB. We're taking a look at the second part of the motion. The second part of the motion is in the same direction as OA and is unaffected. So this second part of the motion is in the same direction as OA. Therefore, its inclusion will be in the same manner. It will not be in a negative. We will not include a negative sign because it is in the same direction as OA. And do not forget that OE is 1/3 of OA. We will finish up by completing the arithmetic process. We have right here 1/3 of 9, 0. 1/3 of 9 is 3. 1/3 of 0 is 0. So we have, instead of 1/3 9, 0, we have 3, 0. Do not forget that we still have this negative sign here. So we need to say -3 plus 3, and that will be 0. -3 plus 3 is equal to 0. And we have, it's going to be -6 plus 0, and that will be -6. Therefore, BE is equal to 0, -6. Any movement that is comprised of a set of other movements is the sum of those other movements. We need to go from B to E, we have two movements included, that is from B to O and from O to E, then we will find the sum of those two movements in order to find the equivalent movement of BE. Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.